Today, we're going to reveal one of the simplest and most powerful scalping strategies that you can start using right away, even if you're new to trading. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. The scalping strategy we're discussing today is not just any strategy. It's a unique approach that can help you achieve consistent profits in a short amount of time. By using only 2 free buy-sell indicators from TradingView, this strategy can be applied across various assets, including Forex, gold, crypto, and stocks. Stay with us and make sure you don't miss any important steps to maximize your profits. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing so you won't miss out on other powerful strategies. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to TradingView. In this example, we will apply this scalping strategy on a 15-minute Forex chart. Now, you can go to the Indicators Search tab. In the Search tab, type Turtle Trade Channels Indicator. Then, select the Turtle Trade Channels Indicator by Kivanas Bilgic. After that, adjust the settings for the Turtle Trade Channels Indicator. In the Inputs tab, change the exit length to 50. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some of the check marks and leave only the ones for the upper, lower, long, and short tabs. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, the Turtle Trade Channels Indicator will guide us in placing orders and setting stop-loss levels in the market. If a buy signal appears, that means it's a buy signal. If a sell signal appears, that means it's a sell signal. However, before placing any orders, we need to add one more indicator that will act as a trend guide in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in Trend Alert. Then, select the Trend Alert indicator from this creator. Next, adjust the settings for the Trend Alert indicator. In the Input tab, change the Rest MT value to 1 hour. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, set the indicator shape to step line with diamond. Adjust the color and line thickness to your preference. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This Trend Alert indicator will serve as a trend guide in the market. If the Trend Alert line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. Meanwhile, if the line is gray, it means there is no dominant trend in the market. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this indicator. How to place a buy order. If the Trend Alert indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, you will only look for the best point to place a buy order. Wait until a buy signal appears from the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. Make sure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place your stop loss at the lower line of the indicator. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. How to place a buy order. If the trend alert indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, you will only look for the best point to place a buy order. Wait until a buy signal appears from the turtle trade channels indicator. Make sure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place your stop loss at the lower line of the indicator. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. How to place a sell order. If the trend alert indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, you will only look for the best point to place a sell order. Wait until a sell signal appears from the turtle trade channels indicator. Make sure the candlestick that forms is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place your stop loss at the upper line of the indicator. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Always maintain proper money management and stay disciplined with your trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.